Let's look at something interesting. Right there, somewhere, is the killdeer nest. I can't see it, but I know it's there. If we sneak our way over there, she'll fly away. And then she'll try to trick us and think that we think she has a broken wing, so we don't see the nest. I thought I'd spot her from here, but I can't. So let's have a peek. I think she should be right there somewhere. Right in the center, and she should fly. Oh, there's the eggs. I see them. Can't see them in the camera now. There we are. Sorry. Oh, here she comes. Is here? Yeah, pal. Not the broken wing. Come here. That's funny, huh? So she is 20 feet from me. 24 feet, probably. Now she'll try it over there. There's her display again, okay? So here's the nest. Right there. Pretty eggs. They are, well, I'm not going to touch them, but yeah, that size is twice as big. So that's the size of the egg. Smaller than that. There she is again. So she came over here again. She's trying to trick me. Now I'm going to see if she'll try to lead me away. I'll carefully go away from the eggs. Then go up a little closer and see if she'll put on a better display. We can get up close. First time I ever experienced that, I was a small boy and a duck did that. I couldn't figure out what was going on trying to catch the duck because he must be injured. She kept going further away from the nest. But she won't give up, eh? Now she'll run over there and do it again. I'll pause it and see if I can get some better footage. It's kind of windy. I don't know if you can hear her chirping away. Funny stuff, eh? Come closer, little one, so we can get a better look at your display. So I crouched down beside the nest here. That's better. That's cute. So now she's too close to me. Hard to capture her here. So she's 15, 18 feet from me. This is great. Okay. Okay, that's enough stress on Mummy. Oof. Now I'll lead her to believe that she tricked me. Well, I hope you thought that was fun. It's interesting to watch a mother bird try to protect their babies. I told my kids about that and I've experienced it before, but it's not often you have the chance to have a peek and watch this. So thanks for watching. Got to watch the instincts in action, and it was kind of fun. So have a great day. Talk to you later.